Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Android Studio, SDK, and a project configured for Min SDK 21+. Once done, create a new App Widget Provider class and an XML layout for the widget view. Make sure to declare the provider and include the App Widget Provider info XML in res/XML. Next, add a lightweight configuration activity if you need user options. This first actionable step wires your widget entry points and layout. It lets you iterate quickly without building full app logic yet. Now implement the middle logic. Use remote views to modify layout elements and call App Widget Manager. Update App Widget for specific ID. You should wire click handlers with pending intent pointing to a broadcast receiver or activity. Ensure unique request codes to prevent intent reuse. For periodic work, choose Work Manager for reliable background updates or Alarm Manager for exact times. Register updates in on enabled and cancel in on disabled. Also manage configuration changes and multiple widget instances by reading. Finish by validating behavior across sizes and instances. Implement App Widget Provider info resize options and adjust remote views for small and large sizes. Then package and sign the APK for deployment and test on a device rather than emulator when possible. Make sure update frequency respects battery rules. Use Work Manager constraints for network. If something goes wrong, inspect Logcat for exceptions. Verify your app widget IDs are handled correctly, and check pending intent flags. Incorrect flags often cause stale or non-responsive click handlers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.